Hi everyone, I am Jen Padernal. Me and my colleague Alina are both very happy to be part of ISTE 2020. We're doing a poster presentation entitled Using Design Thinking to Create Adaptive Learning Experiences for the Gen Z Learners. This is a very timely topic given the current situation that we are all in right now in the education sector. 2020 is almost over, and in the past months of 2020, the world has witnessed enough challenging times like the massive bushfires in Australia, the volcanic eruption in the Philippines, the massive flooding in Jakarta, and of course, right now, the pandemic that we are all experiencing. All sectors are affected, and one of the most that has been hit hard, as we all know, is the education sector. We just woke up one day and suddenly schools are closed and we need to do remote teaching and learning. Having been in this situation, everything has been tested, including our patience as educators, patience and resourcefulness in continuously finding ways to bring education to our students anytime, anywhere. We continuously find ways to help our students receive the best education they can have and prepare them for the future. We are also continuously trying to find ways to develop their future ready skills like collaboration skills, creativity, computational thinking skills, problem solving skills, being creative communicator. We're teaching them inclusivity, we're teaching them digital citizenship. We want to make sure that even in remote learning, we are able to develop these future ready skills among our students. We are also trying to make sure that everyone, all of our students are able to catch up and move up to their lessons and that no child is left behind. That is why in this session, these are our session objectives. We will try to help the teachers develop their creativity skills by learning the 5 stages of design thinking and how they can apply this concept in their classroom. Second, teachers will learn how to transform their teaching techniques on the spot using design thinking process. We will also try to help the teachers develop their digital technical skills by learning how to use different digital tools like Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Teams, and NEO LMS to create technology-driven, adaptive, and personalized learning activities. And lastly, we will try to help teachers develop their collaborator and facilitator skills by learning how to initiate global collaborative projects that will teach students how to design creative activities and collaborate at a global level. You might be wondering how we're going to do that. So to do this, we have prepared different activities and learning materials for you in our poster presentation. These activities and learning materials are simple and can easily be replicated in your classroom. So to start the activity, to start the discussion, we will begin the session with an activity that you can also try in your classroom with your student. This is a sample activity. We call it Getting Started Activity 1, I Want a Bag. So the rules of this activity will be provided to you during the poster presentation. And then after which, we will begin the discussion on the design thinking and the 5 stages of design thinking. The succeeding activities that you will learn in the poster presentation, all of those are geared towards design thinking and adaptive learning. Because in our session, we also want to acknowledge that all our students are unique, they learn differently, they create differently, and knowing that each of our students have those characteristics, we will showcase how you can use adaptive learning to supplement design thinking. We'll also discuss adaptive learning deeply during the session and show you the if-then-else learning. So the adaptive learning, one of the many things that we call it is if-then-else learning. So you will learn more about that in our session. Okay. We will also discuss in our session how you can get started with adaptive learning. We will talk about CBT, content, blueprint, and technology. And of course, as mentioned, you will learn how to use different digital tools like Microsoft Teams, OneNote, and NEO LMS. So we're all very excited. Alina and I are very excited to have you in our poster presentation. Please join us in our poster presentation. This is going to be on November 29th, 8 to 9 a.m. PST. See you there.